Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Yoruba vegetable soup. This delicious and nutritious dish is a staple in Nigerian cuisine, known for its rich flavors and vibrant ingredients. We'll go through each step, from selecting the freshest vegetables and proteins to creating that perfect aromatic base. You'll learn how to prepare everything efficiently, ensuring a smooth cooking process. By the end, you'll have a fantastic meal ready to enjoy, packed with authentic taste. Now, let's get our ingredients ready for this wonderful soup. First, thoroughly wash about 2 pounds of your chosen leafy greens, like spinach or ugu, then chop them finely. Next, prepare your pepper mix by blending 1 large onion, 2 red bell peppers, and 2 Scotch bonnets to a smooth paste. Don't forget to boil or steam your preferred proteins, such as beef or assorted meats, until tender. Finally, soak about 1 cup of dried fish and 1/2 cup of crayfish. With our ingredients prepped, it's time to build the soup's flavorful base. Start by heating about 1/2 cup of palm oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once warm, add your chopped onions and sauté them until they are translucent and fragrant. Then, pour in your blended pepper mix and let it cook down for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oil separates. Finally, add your cooked proteins, soaked dried fish, and crayfish, seasoning with salt and bouillon cubes. We're almost there. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your blanched or fresh chopped leafy greens to the pot with the rich pepper base and proteins. Stir everything gently, ensuring the vegetables are thoroughly combined with the other ingredients. Let the soup simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, uncovered, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, taste and adjust any seasonings if needed. Serve your delicious Yoruba vegetable soup hot with pounded yam or eba.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.